Sparkie. Hi, hola. I am Sparkie. Soy Sparkie. I'm your new mascot, designed especially for the kids by Fallas, Festas, and Fireworks, with my own educational book range and YouTube channel, with a weekly cartoon series of my many adventures. I am an adventurous 10-year-old boy who is curious, imaginative, and eager to learn about new places and traditions. I also really love fireworks, but safety is really important too. I have just released my first book, Sparkie Meets Fallas. In this book, I am excited to explore Las Fallas in Valencia, Spain, with my family for the first time. With my open-hearted enthusiasm, I connect with locals, make new friends, and experience the festival's wonders. This journey is all about discovering the magic, sounds, and colors of Valencia, with each new experience sparking my curiosity and bringing a big smile to my face. Sparkie Meets Fallas, a charming and educational chapter book for readers aged 8 and above. Through my eyes, discover the rich traditions of Las Fallas, where creativity, culture, and celebration. Readers will feel the excitement as I encounter giant Fallas statues, parades of children in colorful costumes, and the enchanting Nit del Foc fireworks show that lights up the sky like flowers of fire, and the sadness of La Crema. It's perfect for children who are about to experience Las Fallas for the first time, those that have been already, and those that are curious to learn more. This story invites you all to explore the sights, sounds, and spirit of one of Spain's most unforgettable festivals with me, while picking up some Spanish words along the way. And that's not all, because there is also activities for you to enjoy either along the journey or when you finish the story. Without giving away too much, I can tell you that there is some crafts, puzzles, and even a glossary of Fallas words that even the adults can learn from. YouTube channel, Sparkie's Adventures, will start from 1st December 2024, and I really hope you will all join with me. Adios, amigos!